All right, now that you're given your Native American tribe, what I want you to do, and you're given this sheet, what we want you to do is to go through each category and find this for your Native American tribe. So when we talk about location in Texas, we want to know where were your Native Americans, where do they settle, or where was the location in Texas? Think of the nearest river, lake, reservoir, or modern-day city. Food. What do they eat? Don't forget they're nomadic or sedentary. They're going to rely on something, either buffalo or crops, or maybe other foods. So think about nomadic or sedentary. Keep that in mind. Clothing. What do they wear? Some of them just wore buffalo skin. Nomadic and sedentary. We already talked about nomadic or sedentary, so make sure you write down nomadic and sedentary and a quick definition of nomadic and sedentary.
All right, the next piece we have to cover for this assignment is shelter. What kind of home do they live in? Was it portable? Was it a permanent home? Then customs. What customs did each tribe have? Were they a warrior tribe? Did they have face paint? What kind of rituals did they perform? And the last one is how did the geography affect their lifestyle? So if they lived near water, how did that affect them? If they lived in the mountains and basins regions, how did that affect them? You have to demonstrate their environment, how they affected their lifestyle.
All right, students, you will be given one tribe. When you're given that one tribe, you are to look in your textbook on pages 81, or between pages 81 through 92. There you will look for information regarding the location of where your tribe settled, the food that they ate, the clothing, identifying whether they're nomadic or sedentary, their shelter, where they live, customs, and how their geography or their landscape affected where they are. You can use the internet as a secondary resource, but use the textbook between ages 81 through 92 as a primary resource to get the most accurate information. All right, guys, after you do your research, I want you to start thinking what you want to do in your group project, with your group project, okay? So when you come to class the next day, you and your group are going to discuss what your final project is going to be. It can be either video or movies. It can be either a skit or a 3D model or a brochure, children's book, PowerPoint. If you have any other idea, please come see your teacher. Go see your teacher. You probably have a great idea. So keep in mind, this is going to be one of your final projects you and your group is going to present to class.